Akinyele is on the run. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State is looking for Taiwo Akinyele. Obaseki, former chief of staff, is on the run. Edo State is on fire. Obaseki, use and dump. Taiwo Akinyele is on the run. If you have any visual on Taiwo Akinyele, acknowledge. Obaseki ship is sinking. Godwin Obaseki ship is sinking. Godwin Obaseki ship is sinking. Although DSS is coming, the Obaseki DSS is coming. Obaseki DSS is coming. Taiwo Akinyele is on the run. Edo people, Obaseki, 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 yes. Taiwo Akinyele is on the run. Taiwo Akinyele is on the run. Today's date is Sunday, April 26, 2020. The mega coverage. The mega coverage. The great oracle of our time. Oh, piano baby. I tell you now, Itabua. Oh, Obaseki ship is sinking. Obaseki ship is sinking. Is sinking. The torpedo master. Oh, eu call you one man. Gele shipot. Gele shipot. Obaseki. DSS. Togi. Ariagwa le timosa. Ababi timosa. You walk already. You walk already. You walk already. You walk already. I'm a baby for Obaseki. Obaseki. Boy, you get to you, Papa. Oh, Kawele na kila de chief of staff yadle. Taiwo Akinyele owu eseti. Owu hun Obaseki ki. Owu hun ogbabe. Owu goro mo do owo bugbe o. Ole o. Taiwo Obaseki, chief of staff, is on the run. He's on the run. Make una share this video. Wagae, nina. Oh, na me wanje. Ya we ana ota. Obaseki, oh boy. Iliado. Yeah, man. I'm a make one ado. Chief of staff will lay. Ole Obaseki, chief of staff, is on the run. Amakelo ye. Ale. Tabu wabwa. Ilewe. Oyana. Osagbo meyo a. O gwale kelo alela. Oba. Itabu wa ila uda. Obere. Me wa se na wa gbegere gigbe. Awa mu me. Waga share video now. It dey carry a Mickey Jagger yo le liar sojo wegbe. Na in broken English we go speak. Make una share this video. Make her first play Mickey Jagger. Make her enjoy myself. Oh, you want no play. Make her first player.
Thank you. government meetings. Now, so yeah, people say they want draw. For this time, I don't see him many 2-4 years ago. About the sing out, share this video. For this time, Edo State is on the edge. I don't want to use that language. I told them, make it jaga, Ujane, Doyone. Edo people, make una share this video. Have you ever heard that? Have you ever heard of any state or any country whereby a chief of staff, not ordinary a chief of staff? Give me 1 second. They were Taiwo Akeyele was Obaseki confidential. They were good friends for more than 20 years. Any thief when they thief, now 2 of them they stick together. Anything when they do, now 2 of them they do it together. Have you ever heard a situation? 2 months to primary, and the sheep just they go. The sheep they go down. Now the chief of staff, number one chief of all staff. He was like a Abakari to Buhari. Have you ever seen where chief of staff jump for sheep? He run? No. Have you ever seen where chief person where they can't money, they share money? Oh, Sangba where you are. He tell me say now chief of staff now get power. You don't ever see where that chief of staff they go the father the Lord was here. As of today, yesterday, I came out and told the people that Governor Obaseki are now using Wabaziga. Police vehicle have been given to civilians in order to be monitoring Comrade Tony Kabaka. Osakpoma no more Comrade, Osakpoma no more less, Comrade Shaba and the rest. Because it's about primary time. Now, no be a mob who direct Mero, no be a mob who direct Mero, no Brahma Bovia who do Shoro, no Brahma Bovia who direct Mero, no Brahma Bovia who direct Mero. A bag can pay, a bag game, I swear. Oh, wow. Wow, we say, but you stay away from Tony Kabaka. I do. He may want Mudiane. Did it back. What ya want pen? Iwa ladia, igba sin, igba gbevede. Iwa atie bia, ya yoba se kiko ya go. Only why when I mean, very tired of the idiot who, oh, na. Eh, we know, oh, we are not make me or working a young way. So far, coronavirus might say it might not be so. This year, torpedo master, now heredity tattoo. I inherit it from my papa. My papa say sickness will not destroy his mouth. He go reach and take make case for court. They hear me? I tell them, have you ever seen where chief of staff? Edo State, Obaseki chief of staff don't run. EBS, RTV, AIT, Channel TV, chief of staff don't run. Women. Chief of staff. Edo State chief of staff don't run. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki chief of staff. He don't run. We don't see him. First time, damn. Have you ever heard anywhere in the country where a goddamn chief of staff will be running from his governor? Have you ever heard where a governor will be fighting with chief of staff? After too much corruption, too much autocratic system of governing, too much of money laundering, too much of embezzlement, too much of Operation Iron Fist, too much of Ponzi scheme, too much of every evil thing, bomb, grenade explosion in Edo State. Edo State chief of staff have finally have enough. He decided when he saw the ship was sinking, Obaseki ship is sinking. And the ship docked in Gelegele Seaport. Obaseki Gelegele Seaport. As the ship arrived in Gelegele, Edo people ask him, they say, where is the seaport now? I gotta say, Akayele, Kawo Akayele. He told his governor, say, Your Excellency, there is no seaport in Gelegele. How are we going to die? How are we going to hanker? Obaseki said, keep moving, damn it. Keep moving, no question asked. How dare you ask the tyrant? How dare you ask the general a question? How dare you ask the Idi Amin of Edo land, Godwin Obaseki, the Saddam Hussein of Edo land, Godwin Obaseki? How dare you ask him a question? After we saw the ship was sinking, that I will say, Ebo show, Obo me, Yoruba, I know here. Now so na be many people. That I will just jump enter water. Ikru. Chief of staff jump enter water. You hear what I'm saying? As he was sinking, the rescuer of all time, Baba na Baba. We never even start. We never start. Hold on. Area. Where are my people? Area. Anywhere that we go, make a job decision. Let me say it. We never start. Operation No More Godwin Obaseki. The better you jump the ship, the earlier you jump the ship, the better it is for you. The ship is sinking. It's sinking fast. Tawo Akayele, Ayese, Idote Road to Shanghai. Shanghai Tower. You know what I'm saying? Obaseki chief of staff, I heard he's on his way to Shanghai, China. Oh boy, that chief of staff is fast too. Before the terrorists before they organize their weapon, organize their bomb, the fastest man on earth. Akataka. Omorama. Osho Baba. Osho Baby. Osho Kwe. Osho Baba. Osho calculator. When I tell these people, say, now Oshomule road, na road day. These people say, I don't know it now, they talk. I tell they say, the reason that I'm angry with Oshomule, now he bring up Baseke. Komle Adamali Oshomule, if he would have run for the third time, he will win in Edo State. People say, hey, Ranamigo, why chief of staff can't run now? Come meet Ranamigo. Why won't make you take chief of staff? Governor Baseke, chief of staff. What make you think after 3 years plus, after more than 20 years, when he deal with Obaseki, he see say area no real, area not clear at all. On a back, he run like rabbit escape home. Now they hear me, my people. We dey look for chief of staff. We hear say they Shanghai. Obaseki, the final. He say, he no even say me they bring him alive. Obaseki, Moku call Governor Godwin Obaseki. Moku ask him. Where I not concern me. Maybe the number go change. He go mistakenly pick him. So Moku call our governor. Moku ask him why they pursue a chief of staff. Connected. Let's vote for it. Do we call him yes or no? Vote. Yes. I not ask everybody vote. Let's wait for the vote. Before una vote, let me put music. Before una vote, let me put one good, very, very good music. Akataka. Iranabigo special. Echo, Abi. Echo. Iranabigo special. Akataka. Wadamyo.
Yes,
Listen. A laugh, a laugh. Mama, a laugh, yeah, Menutao, yeah. Okay, Yak Belaja, Mona, hold on. Akataka. Obaseki chief of staff don't run. Obaseki chief of staff is on the run. Tawo Akeyele. on the run. Obaseki Chief of Staff is on the run. DSS, SSS, Secret Service, 4+4 terrorists, all of them. Before the reach where they don't run. He don't run, make una see them. See the way that they go more than 25. Coronavirus, Obaseki. If they look for a chief of staff, Obaseki, he don't enter one chance. Let's see. Obaseki. Does it make a call? Huh? Do I call Governor Obaseki? Let's ask him about his chief of staff. Iranobigo special. You know, I told you what. I am the Moses of all time. I see what even your papa cannot see. Little bit more than 3 years ago, almost 4 years now, I told you people Godwin Obaseki is a problem. I told you people Godwin Obaseki is a bad one to Edo State. You people did not believe me. I told even my own Edo brother, Tony Kabaka. I said, this man you are supporting is an evil man. He said, hey, amigo. Today, as Tony come see and Tony jump, say, this man, amigo, Tony is my brother. I will borrow my Ariana. When he shares on my own back. Tony, Tony, now so you be. They beg Tony. And Tony say, I call Tony. I say, Tony, no betray the poor. He said, amigo, I can never betray you. And that's one thing I love about Tony. Tony will never tell you a word. Then tomorrow he will run that lie or tire. Yesterday, Obaseki started monitoring Tony resident. I will break the news why he was monitoring Tony resident, Shaba, Usakpoma Nomores, and the rest. He will send Obaseki and police car to go and stay in their house. Now civilian they inside they monitor. They know say primary don't they reach area. They don't land. They don't learn primary. Wow. Open primary. Obaseki say he no want to primary. Have you ever seen a situation where governor will be dictating for national? He said lie, he did not want primary. I say, how dare you? Primary election. Boku call Obaseki. Let's ask him. Let's call Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. Echo. I told him. I say Godwin want to spoil Obaseki name more. The people in brother they don't listen. No one come out make them condemn them. Let's call him. Hello, Mr. Governor. I'm calling you. Look at him. Let's call him. Look at it. Ofia. What will you do? Ofia for. I will wait here. Obaseki. Answer this phone. Why are you chasing your chief of staff? Hello, Mr. Governor. Hello, how are you, sir? Yeah, how you doing? Hello, Mr. Governor. He was pretending. Hello, wait a minute. How you doing? Okay. Hold on. Hello, hold on. Hello. How is market? How you doing? Hello. Hello. Yayati. Yayati. Omati, how is he doing? Oh, my one, I'm fine. I bet what hello. You know, but when I want to change you, so what do you Nigeria number? Hello, Mr. Governor. Buddha. My people. Obaseki answer what time? Hello. The best thing, I'll just ask question direct. Maybe more than with it. You know, we go. Hello, Mr. Governor. Answer your phone. Hello, Mr. Governor.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Governor. Why are you chasing your chief of staff, sir? Can you explain to the good people of Edo State? Don't hang up the phone. The whole world is listening. Yes, you can hear me loud and clear. Why are you after your chief of staff? Are you going to answer the phone, sir? Hello. I will be more. A couple of years away. Are you change your voice? Hello. 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 Okay. Siamu. Now, Basaka, the call. Siam. I don't get time for. Siam. Hello. Hello. Benny. Gay. Wagay. He who laugh last, laugh best. Awawa. Tawa Kiole, come me. People Freedom Movement will protect you. We will use our social media to protect you. And nothing will happen. Akataka. Mune. Oh, we are you don't come out and I water to get out here. Oh, but I my city. Hello. 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 I say you are hearing me. Hello. Hello. I come back, my friend. And you come here, look you. Oh, hey. Itamwa. Oh, salo boy. Oh, I'm with an army. God have given me this work. He know that He will protect me in the last day. God Almighty, the miracle of the Bible. This is the word God have given me. Go out there and speak without fear and favorable. The whole world will turn against you, but you will prevail. At the end of the day, you will prevail. I made a mistake. I started listening to all this snake, all this snake, devils, satans. After what I've been through, it's a lie. I will never listen to all these people. Now God say you are on the right track. Oh, Shalom, when I know your boy. Why do I want to bet you? Abalaki, what feel when we wait one with a wobo? Hello, hello, Governor Godwabasaki, ma'am. I'm calling the governor. Okay. Hey, Nigeria, they call Baseki. Okay.
Let me see.
Because you get my own. You go to teach and they call. You must answer. You don't send people except you not go answer their call today. I go to call her. We will not allow him to kill for him to kill any Edoma or oppress anybody. If they want to oppress Ahere, Taiwo, I will stand and defend him. He don't make mistake again. I'm calling him now. He won't make mistake. I will begin support Taiwo now. My people now see, he want to make a mistake
number you
again.
have dialed is not in service.
Mudia, this is the problem. When I call people to answer, let me off this first. You will just answer the phone. Tell me the truth. Obaseki now is running away. He's changing his voice. He have answered the phone 3 times. He changed his voice. I asked question. He pretend like he was not hearing. All he was saying, hello, hello. Now, if I come out tomorrow and start saying, Atawo, Akinyole, we are going to protect the people. We say, Ranomigo, why do you change? This is the problem. This is the problem. Godwin Obaseki know that he have committed atrocity. He cannot stand and defend himself. Even in PFN platform, People Freedom Movement platform, he cannot. Obaseki is an animal, even a Muria, just to destroy. Let's call him again. Share this video to the whole world to see. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State is running. He's running from the truth. Cool. He don't want to do primary election. He's afraid of primary. He's afraid of mega comrade phone. But he want to put people in jail. He's a coward. He's running away. This is his phone. Nobody they answer now. This one a private phone number. Nobody. Now only him they answer this phone. You know what I'm saying? The question I ask him, why are you chasing your chief of staff? I know it's not time. My people, you see what is happening in Edo State. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's play this woman audio first. Give me 1 second. There's an audio here. Let me play it. I've not listened to it. I will play it. She asked me to play it. Let me go straight and play it. I want the whole world to share this video. Before we get off on air, I guarantee we will call Obaseki. We want him to tell us why he's chasing everybody with DSS. Echo. Person jump from sheep. He say he no want follow and die. He want kill her. Before we play that video audio, Obaseki terrorist group is in big trouble. I want to play what they discuss. There's this number. I will show you the number on air. This phone number is the one that make this audio against Ahere. Mona see number. Huh?
It's backwards.
What do you mean backward? But there's no how I can do it. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Hold on. Yeah, they will know it. Yeah, that is the number. That is the number. I want to play the audio he made to 4+4 terrorist group platform. They are in trouble. The whole world should listen.
I greet this honorable house this afternoon. My name remains Comrade Emmanuel Wilberforce Osayande, the Coordinator General Go-Getters Libya Returnees Edo State. I'm very happy with the way my honorable brother, which I tag with my voice here, spoke. It's very enlightening and he has said the truth sincerely. However, one has his own self-right to terminate any of his or her contracts, whether by ways of appointment or by ways of electoral process. So, however, I will continue to say that Taiwo Akinrele is not a key major person to make Edo State move forward. He's not a key major person that have really contributed to the development of Edo people. Because
that is Obaseki for a platform.
Because if I may say, Taiwo Akinrele are those propaganda, hidden propaganda in this government sector right from day one. Mm-hmm. These are the people that maybe have caused some delay in some social changes to our present administration. These are the people that are confucianists before Godwin Obaseki. Taiwo Akinrele have not been active since he has been appointed as the chief of staff of Edo State. He doesn't recognize people who has really contributed to the effort that make this administration become reality today. Taiwo Akinrele was never in agenda of any political rally or gathering during the time of Governor Obaseki election. And he has the right to quit for this re-election that is coming. But it pains me that he has taken some benefits. He has been a beneficiary from the offset. He has really embezzled what should have gone to another. Because why, at this point in time, what has been the complaint that has not been laid since you have been in the government? Since, is it now that you know that there are major fights or struggle on the ground that we all have to put our effort to achieve? Is it now that you are not quitting? Is it now you are not calling for resignation? Is it now that you not complain that you are not welfare with the ongoing administration? So you can see how people can be so what English will I use? Not to be insulting, but a very clear fat picture that why can people be so wicked? Why can people be so selfish and greedy? Why do people don't really want to work before they eat? They want to eat what they do not labor for. Now you quit. Who do you quit for? Who do you want the person to carry up the struggle? You think that as you quit, we all will follow? No, we will not follow you. You are just one person. Akinrele is just one person. So, however, I hardly talk in this platform, crack team, but I always talk when it beat my imagination to talk. So, however, my people, we should consider the fact that Obaseki 4+4 second term is non-negotiable. All the Libya returnees have hereby said.
Una hear them? He said Libya returnees. These are the Libya people I fought for. No, una hear them? People went to Libya. Mona get or Mona talk. Every of Libya people, as una de Libya, make una talk. Audio, make una not call me, just send audio. This guy, this guy when he say na he be Libya returning, if Obaseki dey send una money, una not tell me, fine. I want everyone voice to be heard. Let's finish it.
Funded and supported Godwin. We move from one step to another. So, my brother, let's be those creative dissenters who will call our beloved nation to a higher destiny and dignity, who will take our beloved Edo State to a higher development.
Okay, make a show now. Higher development where they take Edo State to. I want to show you people the higher development. Listen.
Edo. No be by na dia Manoro. Be by ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ láṣẹ wà ní ọ̀bùgbé ẹ mọ̀ náà wẹ́n náà mọ̀ yẹ fòtó ní ma fẹ́ abẹ́ tẹ̀gẹ́ àwọn wà ní abẹ́ kòròwó ayé tẹ̀ náà kú ẹ̀ yẹ sọ bá kàwé tẹ́mi ní àdàbà ẹ̀ kì ma àdàbà ni wọ́n sáré ẹ̀ náà wẹ́n náà mọ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ láti ní àgbéyà tẹ́lẹ̀ rẹ̀ ọkọ. Have you recorded it?
Unasia, that is how Baseki. You see what he gave to Orogo community. I want to play it again. Orogo community in Orion. And Orion people are still support.
Edo. No be by na dia Manoro. Anyone nobody afefe ekero erema. So him ma hoga ya be by jima na we made madogari. So masama na madobe ba ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ láṣẹ wà ní ọ̀bùgbé ẹ mọ̀ náà wẹ́n náà mọ̀ yẹ fòtó ní ma fẹ́ abẹ́ tẹ̀gẹ́ àwọn wà ní abẹ́ kòròwó ayé tẹ̀ náà kú ẹ̀ yẹ sọ bá kàwé tẹ́mi ní àdàbà ẹ̀ kì ma àdàbà ni wọ́n sáré ẹ̀ náà wẹ́n náà mọ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ láti ní àgbéyà tẹ́lẹ̀ rẹ̀ ọkọ. Have you recorded it?
So this is not an amigo talking. These are people on ground. We will call the governor one more time to tell us. Let me play this audio.
Hello. Abati. No, we are baze. Ni gegwe. Na hina. Abat. Ngbati we na. Igba. Ti we. Obaseki gun elu 1 billion Abat. We are my egun for Obaseki. We na die social media, una do different day. We no ja loye. Baseki Abati. Ana wo hospital, in na video eladian. Una ladian, we are my video to. Una ladian na do different day. Obaseki an no man ne say work on isan. Ora yoma yo say work on isan. Abati ele ni ati ege speaker Abati Obaseki ele no gwane social media gwane ya Abati ekian wedoma o wemiare o ga ni si no mi no ko ri ja gbomo jije ke mi no ja vie kian be no de mi abi ne dia mi no ja vie kian e wo be eri gba be gbomo we mi jobo e wo abi ja agozu mo bo kian oh wemi ale yok nya jeno ni Jesu anybody no reside we kin we do na e yok nya genia ni gbomo jije kin ya mi jobo ya mi ton ni ajo mo ni gokia den wa una do ma ni na do state wa poro sabati wo pa wo ba mo we dade udu atore no ga za we udu atore everything Obaseki perfect man Obaseki perfect ameni Obaseki u de no ba ru se emi ya Obaseki wa Abati o wa ma. You defend everything defendable. Who was a good one? Abielu a good one. What was the man wejo? Oh, you go go in your bati. Oh, yes, one new one magic cannot get back. Oh, you to be there. Abati we are jacking Wejena. We go that time. When we fit, or we are elderly. A king will badona if we are elderly. Oh, we go can social media na oga gele no ofun wona o ma na gele we o uta ha o fi gbe ni gbe bi ni bia o bi aso bo o ja mo ezoto o jo bo o ja mo le ezoto o gwe ni because o gewe o bugbe Abati go ma dege ni ati là il lève non là do ni amu gore be data
Il vient fulani.
ni amu gore be data ni amana ko no offload the data
Yeah,
when I offload you go matter go go gbo kaya party
Wow.
James nothing that wrong in those states we will talk about we will not defend Obaseki we will not defend Obaseki or when social media do attack what do attack social media madman when we do attack in your way don't bring those people 4+1 wọ́n máa gbà yìí dẹ́kùnọ́kí owó ìdọ̀wọ́ bá ṣe ni owó àbáná bákù owó ta bàbá rẹ̀ rí kò sàmáà nígbà ṣe bàbá rẹ̀ rí èpè àgbẹ̀yọ́ kàlẹ̀ ìgbà ní kàlẹ̀ gòlàjàn làwọn sọpá il vient de va ok Vignance spécial ok Vignance hospital donc Vignance hospital n'est pas géré èmi àdàbò on a descend to woni obiya via one for that but we now remember we are the social media we do have different day because of your self interest we dey go work ba ogun do ri ogun abati ogun do ri ogun ori di ogun ke ma no se le ke ogun do ri oriyan won ni na tanu ba kan no mata ogun do ri oriyan ni wo na ya dame no you will never have peace in your life you will never have peace and if you face those words you are rekede wa the abati bi aka wo mamira o so go na gwale mo fife ni gwale ra ari ewu yan di ba bi di mo mo fife si mo kike awa bi ere wana baba nani wa fi wetu wa de stupid gale wa ma baba nani ni ba gwale mo fife si mo kike gwale mo fife si le dia e ka ba kan ma wa mi ropa wa bo mi ati e wana ya gore hotel baba je gbe ekin wa ogbero ka fi gbejeki o ma di siyere wa ni du gbe ni do gbije la selefeki o ma ekin wa do na ni gba ya kule o do wa na eyi sa bo ada kulu wa o eyi sa bo ada fi gba were no pa lo eyi sa ka hin ala gba gbe e pisi wa je gbe ni da kun wa o yo gbele se wa kin rahi e fi wa sili do gbe na abati go ma na ya go social media ile la no ba se ki ga ma sin abo yana mi ra Obaseki ko ma ni do kan what do different ko ma ni ke ni na gbina keke na no so na gbon wa bati go kan ya did you talk about it no because on ma kan we o ki ami wo ni abati go na dia de no do have Obaseki na na go una ma okpa mweta je everything Obaseki wa ma o ma de le go na back iwo o happen na o gbekin okay o je gbese everywhere bien every azasu eni yangona Obaseki gwa ni wo na no egine o gbe na do ige ipi owe dpn no ni ipi ohula for you to tell your governor eni e ma kan ro eni no gbe e ma o ha gbeta the chief of staff ni ale yin na ija ha wa mo ezo mo ere no matter go fi ke gbene wo gi fi bishop no mama laja wo gi ti ebone you see you e ku bokpa go na se ku e wo ai when we are free no can feel free no take the free no kwa you will never you will go punish you will never have peace in the rest of your life e kilan godona don't see the truth you are lying what cover up you are how long will you cover up how long ila wa ga na amanu wa da gaye ila ma se ma popo ni gwe go ni ro do everybody is crying no food them na me benefit the government ro pa obian I show you not to work never me protest me do wa ga me because why think we dey work with you gba mari la ni ngo we dey totally work it not possible they will not take it they can't take it why be why just ya gbe me was you ba it will not happen okay ọgbẹ̀rẹ̀ gbìnwẹ̀ ọmọ ìgbẹ̀ bí ìgbẹ̀ àjá àṣẹ problem ìgbẹ̀gbẹ̀ àdúrà kí ìgbẹ̀gbẹ̀ àdúrà ọwọ́ ìgbẹ̀gbẹ̀ àtà náà òbí ọ̀kan nínú àgbà jíjẹ kẹrin ló dẹ̀ ó ní fẹ́ fi ẹkẹ òbí ọ̀kan ní fi àwọn ọ̀fọ̀ làbẹ̀ abati wọ́n láti rìn mẹ́jì ní fi yà á dé dùn á dífìn ọ̀rẹ́ sunu dábì wẹ̀ ẹ̀ bọ̀ ìhun náà ọgbẹ́ what you pray to order will surely happen to you ọkọ̀ sì ń gbẹ̀rẹ̀ gbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ ni wọ́n sọ mọ́lá mú fẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀ ládìá ó sì mọ́lá mú fẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀ ládìá everything of face ẹ̀ ní yàgbọ́ because a killer ọkì ní yàgbọ́ lé wa òwe ní ìyẹn gbàgbà ọ̀sẹ̀ náà wọ̀ fídíò nílẹ̀ yọ and the street and the nílẹ̀ yọ tó gbẹ̀wọ̀ kíkọ́ why did you not go to that specialist that very day. Whether I will video, you go that video. Now me can we who get it matter. You think you want to fool every people? You are fooling yourself. You are fooling yourself. And the woman babati walk with me. You understand? Go mark back. You be able to go away. Delete video instantly. We want you go new video. Umajo, go so mama face. Why you face you go? Why you face you? Wọ́n bí ọkàn náà gbá òun ni ọmọ ẹ̀ma tó gbogbo ọmọ jẹ́gà òun ibà bí ọmọ fọ́ ọ̀rà díẹ̀ azag ọ̀zẹ́ yẹn ni ẹ̀ma yàrá tí fẹ́ wọ́n àzẹ́ gbọ́ ẹ̀ kiri gbọ́ ẹ̀ dọ́nà musa bọ́ ajá ọ̀gọ̀sá wàá mi gbọ́ ẹ̀ kiri gbọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́la ní àmì owó ẹ̀dọ́ ni ẹ̀ kiri gbọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́la owó ẹ̀dọ́ ni ẹ̀ gbọ́ ẹ̀ because udọ́gbé ẹ̀ gbọ́ wà nínú fídíò ọ̀yẹ́ wọn ní tiẹ̀ bọ̀ lọ́ba sẹ́kì náà ọmọ tiẹ̀ bọ̀ ọ̀gbẹ́ ṣé di fídíò tó wọ̀ wọn náà gbélé kọ́ tó wọ̀ wọn náà yí kọ́ ètò ìtì ní màtá òwò ẹ̀dọ́ tánà ọ̀gbẹ́ share the video so that you go and reach governor ọba second hand nínú governor àrùtí ọgbọ́n ẹ̀rọ ọ̀mìíràn a governor ṣe a governor sọ̀rọ̀ a governor yẹn lọ́gbà governor lè gbé náà ọkọ̀ because gbé àwọn ọba second ọ̀kẹ́kẹ́ ní ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀wọ̀n anọ́bìnrin take care of even both they are suffering nobody care to come and help governor wò ná ọ̀gbọ́n wọn ti ẹ̀bẹ̀ ní governor náà ọ̀gbọ́n share it let you go and meet governor ọ̀tá ògbóná owó fẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀ làdí èkìlá mi yà kìlọ̀ ẹ̀ mi yà gbẹ̀wà ọtí ẹbí lọ́ba sẹ́kì ẹ̀ òwe ìpìyàn ọ̀gí ẹ̀ ìpìyàn yìí nù wà á wá yìí ìpìyàn nù wà á lónìí wà á yà correcting mistake wà á gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ wà á mú ìyọ̀ ọ̀hún ọba sẹ́kì ẹ̀ mi là bí òṣùwọ̀n lọ rúlé ọba sẹ́kì ẹ̀ mi là bí òṣùwọ̀n lọ rúlé ẹ̀kìlì bẹ̀tẹ̀ náà wọ́n lọ ẹ̀fẹ̀ ògbó ẹ̀kọ́ òun lọ ẹ̀fẹ̀ lórí ya plani lábẹ ya ìgbìdì ẹdọkọtọ èmi àbẹ ya gbò ẹkọẹkọ ògbẹ ẹgbẹ ẹfẹ ọ̀nà ẹ̀rọ ni lẹ́yìn kàmá wà bàtì máa ọbùdìẹ kàbọ̀ wà á dún ẹ̀yàn ọ̀sùn wọn á dífẹ́ǹtì ọba tẹ kí ayọ̀ ìságì udọ̀kọ̀ àbá ayọ̀ ọ̀nà ọ̀nì sànọ̀ba udọ̀gù sànọ̀fọ̀ wẹ̀wọ̀ àdúẹ̀ mábẹ́wẹ́ nọ́ọ̀zùwà. You can fool everybody. You can't fool, but because it's getting too much. It's getting too much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to share this video. For now, we are not going to call the governor because I just got a text message, so I'm going to, I think he respects himself. He sent me a text message. I want to ask him privately why he's pursuing Taiwo Akeyele. So I like when people respect you, you respect them. Governor Obaseki is one-time governor. He's not coming back. So maybe what he's going to say, he don't want to say it in public or whatever. I will give him a benefit of doubt for him to be able to express himself without thinking of this or that. So, but however, if he did not call or we did not talk, I will come back online this evening. I will come back online this evening. So, and I also Taiwo Akeyele, whatever, Akelere, man in that way. You have to call me without delay. Call me without delay. It's better you be in a Holy Bible negotiation table than to be enemy of the Bible. Miraculous Red Bible. Area. Amigo. But when I don't see as life be, I tell you, I say when things won't end, now they the hard parts. Nothing when they don't throw at me. At the end of the day, who is standing? And I don't want this video to be long. I will be back. I want to wait for the governor call and wait for Taiwo Akeyele call. It's better I be a mediator. It better I blow whistle pure as referee. Amigo. We are a great. Oh, Rano amigo. Akataka area. So, if I'm going to come out later, it's going to be on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to PFM YouTube, follow the link on this video. There's a link there. Follow it, subscribe. You want to be a PFM, a YouTube member? Be a member. We are coming out on YouTube. YouTube only. So if you want to see what the saga is going to look like, go ahead and subscribe and wait for Mega Comrade on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Area. So now you go person respect you, you go respect them. Oh, show forever. Oh, show forever. Forever. Comrade Adamali Oshomle. Forever. You may want with your attention. As primary do the near. Everybody do the position themselves. Back. People when get beneath. We be the real dog thinking. Politics. They don't the station. Primary. Ranobigo. Ranobigo. Oh. So my people. That is smart, you know. Ayo, are we here? Era gwagwa. Are we here? Or where we not here? Are you going to let's see. Let's see. Now making a hand. Even on Sunu. So my people. Okay, I'm reading some message here, but you know what? We are going to put this on the next video. That is what we're going to do on the next video. So guys, I see you tonight.
Bye, Mama.